Hi everybody, I'm Lesley Stevens, Director of Mental Health and Learning Disabilities. I'm recording this message on Thursday, on the first day of the second lockdown. I think it's pretty clear that we're seeing COVID cases rising on the island, and the lockdown, I think, should be effective in preventing that chain of infection that we've seen, and hopefully for the island will be very effective, as it is starting at a point when our COVID infections are fairly low, so should be really impactful if it's followed well. But I know it's going to be tough. I think it's much harder to have lockdown in the winter compared to the spring, when the days were longer and the sun was shining. So I think there are some really important messages for everybody as we go through this lockdown period again. First and most important is, please look after yourself, look after each other, look after your own mental health and well-being. There's lots of well-being resources available on the Trust website, so please look out for them and use them. Look out for each other. Keep yourselves safe. Follow the PPE and infection prevention and control guidance. The national messages about work from home, if you can, absolutely apply to all staff across our division. So if you think that you should be or are able to work from home but aren't, then please speak to your team leader or your service manager. We're purchasing additional laptops across the Trust to support more staff to work from home. So if one of the barriers is lack of the right kit, then please let us know and we'll do what we can to support you to work from home. Please don't crowd people into offices or team meetings. Wherever possible, socially distance and use Microsoft Teams for meetings. I think it's also really important that everyone gets their flu jab. I think particularly this winter more than any other, and of course that is available in the Trust, so make sure that you do that. I guess the other thing to say linked to lockdown is one of the consequences of it is that CQC, who are due to come and do an inspection with us on the week of the 23rd of November, are no longer able to come. They've told us that they're postponing the inspection for mental health and for the acute hospital. They haven't yet been able to tell us when the inspection will happen, but we're hoping it will be quite soon after lockdown ends. We're really keen to get them in and to show them the progress that's been made. So it's important we keep going with the preparation work that's underway. It's been really impressive, and it benefits everybody to keep going with that quality improvement work. And my final message is, please fill in the staff survey. It makes such a difference to us to get feedback from you, and I think probably this year more important than at any other time. It only takes 5 minutes, it's absolutely confidential, and it really helps us in understanding your experience of working in the organisation. So look after each other. Best wishes.